Hi, MV Chef, back with you to show you how to make a chicken Caesar salad without the chicken. Yes, it's true. It is possible. I'm going to show you how. So, ready when you are. Okay, I'm going to make my chicken Caesar salad. It's very simple. And I have a separate recipe for the croutons. Very easy. It's just cubed French bread, sauteed with a little olive oil and garlic until they're crispy and done. Maybe even a little burned. You didn't see that. And also I have a separate recipe for my vegan Caesar salad dressing. So those two are part of this recipe. So here we go. First thing is I'm going to use, again, corn chicken cutlets. These are breast type of chicken cuts. And there are different things out there. You could use a patty, you could just skip the chicken altogether, although that wouldn't really be much of a chicken Caesar salad. But this is the one I'm using. So I'm just going to thaw it out a little bit, which it already is, and I'm just going to slice it. I'm actually just making enough for one salad for myself, but the recipe calls for enough ingredients to make a salad for a family of four or 4 servings. So I sliced this, and I am just going to heat this up a little bit in a pan with a clove of garlic minced and a little bit of olive oil. Teaspoon really for one breast, if that, not even that. Okay, so I'll add my clove of garlic. Seems like everything I've been making lately has garlic in it. But I love garlic. Love to love garlic. Maybe those around me after I eat don't love the garlic as much. But that's what breath mints are for. Toothpaste. Distance. Okay. Well, just a little smidgen of oil just to keep it from sticking to the pan. And I'm moving to the stove now. While my chicken and garlic are heating up on the stove, about medium heat, I'm going to say about 5 minutes or so. You want the chicken a little bit brown. You can do a blackened chicken this way. You could add sesame seeds, some other spices, chili powder, whatever you want. Anyway, I am going to cut up my romaine. Chop that up a little bit. Okay. And next I'm going to add my tomato. All of this is optional. I'm sure you've been in restaurants, you have a Caesar salad, it's just lettuce, cheese, and chicken, and dressing pretty much. But I like to add tomatoes and olives and maybe cucumber, onion. I'll just add some tomatoes, some cherry tomatoes here. And some olives. While my chicken is heating up behind me. You'll have to take my word for it this time. Okay, lots of tomatoes. If you can see that. Let's move over. Here we go. That's better. Lettuce, tomatoes, some olives. So there's my chicken. I did add a little bit of chili powder and sesame seeds. It's because that's how I am. I like to deviate from the recipe. I'm trying not to do that, but for this series, but I do it. So I'm going to add this to the salad. It's still pretty hot. Probably let it cool down a little bit. And then I will add my croutons. So see how big this got? Another mysterious salad growth. And last but not least, I will drizzle a little bit of the Caesar dressing on here that I had already made up. Vegan Caesar. And again, you can add your Parmesan cheese. Dairy, non-dairy, it's up to you, none at all. And there you have it. Chicken Caesar salad, ready to eat without the meat. And you can use the Caesar dressing, croutons, whatever you want to put on there. It's up to you. Yeah, you. Come back and see me again sometime.